Hey, good afternoon. This is Jenny Jones here. Want to give you a quick financial short. Now, what we want to talk about is 3 major reasons why you should never sell your retirement mutual fund assets. So let's go ahead and get started. Now, the first reason is it's very obvious, and that is price. Normally when you buy a mutual fund, you're buying anywhere from 100 to 150 different companies in one basket at one time. And when you purchase it, you probably got it at a good price. If you've been a part of the last bull run for the last 10 years, you have gotten it and repurchased it and bought more shares at even lower prices. So price is the first reason. All right, so let's talk about reason number 2. Reason number 2 is reinvestment risk. Reinvestment risk is when you do sell out of that position or you sell those mutual funds, what are you going to get into? What are you going to find? Unless you're trying to get into a different mutual fund at this particular time while shares are low, even of mutual funds they may be on sale. Reinvestment risk is difficult to do because you're not going to find another good investment at the same time that could be going up. In fact, you could probably get into another investment and it'll probably go down even further. So that's number 2. And the last and final reason is dividends. If you have good dividend paying mutual funds, it is a must that you stay in your position, because even though the value may be going down, you are still receiving dividends, quarterly dividends, which are not guaranteed, but if you're still receiving those, you could then reinvest them and buy more shares of that same mutual fund while they're on sale.
Hi, my name is Deborah Turner, and I just attended Jenny Jones' class on retirement can still happen. If you're like me and you need one of those retirement classes for dummies, I highly recommend this class. He breaks it down, and you will walk away knowing that you got this.